Hi, I'm Chris with Abrams Insurance Solutions, and I'm here to be the antidote to fear and uncertainty. Whenever markets turn negative, folks often ask, should I get out of the market? Should I sell? In this video, I'm going to talk about what you can do when emotions are high and your portfolio is dropping. Markets are seeing frequent surges of volatility, and that's stressful, especially if you're checking on your portfolio every day and watching it take a beating. Could these jitters turn into a correction where markets drop 10% or more? Absolutely. Should we panic and freak out? Definitely not. Here are a couple reasons why. Volatility and corrections in the face of bad headlines are normal and occur regularly. In fact, pullbacks of 5% happen about once a year. We can expect to see a serious 10% correction about every 18 months and a true bear market about once every 6 years. And here's the flip side. Just as quickly as markets drop, they can rise again. For example, we've learned since 1974, the S&P 500 has historically gained 24% 1 year after the bottom of a market correction. Now that doesn't mean that the past can predict the future, but it can be a useful guide. History rarely repeats itself, but it often rhymes. If you're not in the market when it moves back up, you'll lose out on all those gains. I can see you asking, well, Chris, I can get out before the bottom and then jump back in. If it were that easy, we would all do it. No one knows where the bottom is until it's passed, and selling risks missing out on the whole thing as it comes back up. I'll end with these thoughts. Bad headlines sell. That's why we see them all the time. The reality behind them is usually much more complex, and market movements shouldn't be accepted at face value. The reason you pay a professional to look after your financial life is so you can share your worries and have someone help you take action. If you have a question about what's going on with markets or what you should do next, please use the form below to send me a message. I'll respond personally. Just take it from Archie. He is not worried at all about the stock market. Take care, and we'll talk soon.